A particle travels along a straight line with velocity given by t squared minus 10t plus 21 meters per second. Determine the times the particle changes direction. Calculate the velocity and the acceleration at t is equal to 4 seconds, and hence determine whether the particle speed is increasing or decreasing at this time. Calculate the total distance travelled during the first 4 seconds of its motion. Okay, so we require t when v is equal to 0 meters per second. Okay, well, we've got to think that this is a quadratic and think what the curve actually looks like. So it's t squared minus 10t plus 21 is equal to 0, where it cuts the t-axis. And this factorizes into t minus 3 minus 7 quite nicely. So it gives me 2 times where the particle's changing direction, which is t is 3 seconds and t is equal to 7 seconds. So the velocity is t squared minus 10t plus 21. The acceleration will be the derivative, which is 2t minus 10. When t is equal to 4, if we put 4 in here, we're going to get v is 4 squared minus 10 times 4 plus 21. That will give me minus 3 meters per second. And then the acceleration will be 2 times 4 minus 10, which is minus 2 meters per second. We have the same sign here. That means the particle will be speeding up. When the signs are different for these things, the particle will be slowing down. So both velocity and acceleration have the same sign, therefore speed is increasing. To find the distance travelled in the first 4 seconds, first of all we need to consider between 0 and 3, because at 3 it changes direction. So if we integrate the curve t squared plus 10t plus 21, that will give me t cubed over 3 minus 5t squared plus 21t. And we're doing the integral between 0 and 3. Substituting 3, you get 3 cubed over 3 minus 5 times 3 squared plus 21 times 3. If we put 0 in, we get 0. Don't always assume that, though. Please check. And that will give you 27 meters. And then we now need to integrate between 3 and 4. If you think what a quadratic looks like, you'll see in the graph in a minute. From 3 to 4, the same integral, so that will be the same integral as we just done here. But now the limits are 3 and 4. We put 4 in. 4 cubed over 3 minus 5 times 4 squared plus 21 times 4. And then because we've already worked out 3, we just need to take away 27. And if you use the fraction button on your calculator, you get minus 5 over 3. So it was below the axis. So the total distance will be 27 plus the absolute value of minus 5 over 3. So I ignore the minus sign, which will give you 86 over 3 meters, or 28 over and 2/3 meters. This is a graph of the motion. So we've got 1 here, 27, and minus 5 over 3 here. So this has been a video to show you how to do kinematics with variable acceleration. I hope you've understood, and I thank you for watching. Perhaps you could consider subscribing to my channel, and then in the notes of this video, you'll find a link to pages in my website where you will find thousands of videos to help you with A-level maths. Thank you very much for watching.